ninth grade, I signed up for JROTC. The right response, right? I had no idea what I was signing up for, right? When I walked into class for the first time, my instructor, the sergeant major, big black guy, right? He like looked me up and down. He was like, "You sure you're in the right class?" Computer science is that way. Man, and when we got our army uniform for the first time, right? I thought I was like Denzel, man in uniform, you know, walking down the hall. Right? I was not, okay? I was an Indian kid in an army uniform. I was actually the first Indian in my school to sign up for JROTC, all right? When my mom saw me in that uniform, she lost her shit, all right? She was like, "Oh my God, what did you do? What did you do? You signed up. You signed up. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You don't understand. You look like the bad guy."